Hi everyone, Jacqueline Kalab, makeup artist to celebrities here. I'm just going to do my lips and just thought I'd show you a trick that I use. This is, people don't believe me until they try it, but what I teach is you do your lip liner without looking at a mirror. And but there's a couple of things to know. First of all, you want most of the fullness in the center of your lips. So you kind of want to come down to nothing with the outside of your lips. And so that's one thing. The other thing is we have two protrusions on our lips. We've got two protrusions here and one in the middle. So we sort of want to be outlining the bottom lip almost in a squarish kind of shape and the top lip in a semicircle. So I'm going to show you this. First of all, I'm going to use my brand pencil. I've got two pencils actually. I'm going to use Bashful, the color Bashful, and I'm going to use the color, actually, I might change that. I'm going to use Elixir and I'm going to use Rescue Me. I'm going to see if I've got my Bashful actually, because Bashful is just like a really nice little nude color. I normally always have it, and what have I done with it? Anyway, I won't keep you. So here's my Rescue Me, and I'm going to do my lips pretty much without looking, as I said, because the reason we do it without looking is because you can actually feel where your lips are, and most of us women cheat ourselves. G'day, hi, thanks for joining, thanks. So we start with the outer corners. As I said, I want next to nothing on the outside, and I want all the fullness on the inside. So I'll do this without looking. I'm going around those two protrusions. So the bottom lip is more squarish shape. And then the top lip, I'm going to do more of a semicircle. So I'm going around that single protrusion here. And you can feel where your lips are. And it's okay if you draw it a little bit unprofessionally, because you can blend it after. I blend it after, so. And that's pretty much it. Doing without looking, then I will come through and blend it. I'll actually just do it with my finger. And just get rid of any obvious parts where it starts or ends. And that's pretty much it. Then I will normally fill in with my Bashful color. So I just used Rescue Me in my Ultimate Lip Liner. So now I'm going to fill in though with Elixir. Elixir is a bit of a strong color. It's very pretty. And now I have some lips. And then, hello everyone, thanks for joining. Thanks so much for jumping on. And then I will generally go over with some lanolin or lip balm. And I don't know if you're familiar with lanolin. In Australia, we love lanolin, it's amazing. So just top it up and that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you've got any questions. I am really promoting my course and adding lessons to it all the time. So if you want to join, give me a holler and I'll give you the details. But let me know if you've got any questions, what I should cover next time. See ya, bye.